Natural Anti-Inflammatory Elixir. This natural anti-inflammatory elixir can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Here's a breakdown of the benefits and how to prepare it. Ingredients and their benefits. Turmeric, active component, curcumin. Benefits. Anti-inflammatory, curcumin helps reduce inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory molecules. Antioxidant, neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Digestive Health, supports gut health and microbial balance. Joint Health, reduces swelling and pain in arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Brain Health, supports cognitive function and mental well-being. Honey, properties, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. Benefits, Respiratory Health, soothes sore throats and coughs. Immune system, strengthens immunity. Antioxidant, protects cells from damage by free radicals. Digestive Health, promotes good digestion. How to prepare the elixir. Ingredients: 1-2 glass of water, 1 or 2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey or a natural sweetener. Instructions: mix the turmeric and honey into the water. 2. Stir well with a spoon. 3. Use a straw to drink if you're concerned about staining your teeth. 1. Start by taking it once a day, preferably in the morning before breakfast. 2. You can increase to twice a day by adding a dose before dinner. Benefits over time: reduced inflammation, less swelling and pain. 1. Reduced inflammation, less swelling and pain. 2. Improved digestive health, relief from bloating and gas. 3. Stronger immune system, better overall health and resistance to illness. 4. Lower cholesterol, reduced levels of bad cholesterol. 5. Better cardiovascular health, improved circulation and reduced risk of clogged arteries. 6. Enhanced brain function, better mood and cognitive abilities. By incorporating this simple elixir into your daily routine, you may experience significant improvements in your overall health and well-being.